How to delete IMO profile picture. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the IMO app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your IMO account. Now, once inside the IMO app, all you have to do is tap on the U icon or your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on your name at the top. Once done so, tap on the edit option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the profile picture option available at the top. Now here you can see there is no built-in feature in IMO in order to delete your profile picture directly, but here is a workaround. You can simply go back to any web browser and now once inside the web browser, download the no profile picture image on your device. Once you save it to your photos, all you have to do is upload that photo on your profile picture. Go to your gallery and simply tap on the photo you just saved and upload it as your profile picture. And that is it. Even though this is not exactly deleting the IMO profile picture, but it is somehow similar. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.